snowstorm today. The weather is crazy. Welcome to winter in Canada, guys. Look at her. Oh, so cold and freezing. This is traffic. Nobody can move. Good morning, guys. Today the day after the snowstorm. Oh my gosh, actually it's so bright. My eyes cannot handle it. The sunshine is reflect on the snow. Oh my gosh. Yeah, so the road is quite wet. Yesterday some of the vehicles stuck on the highway and be outside for hours. So yeah, snowstorm is not that fun. I still remember the first day when I come to Canada. I like snow because in my hometown we don't have snow. I was born in Vietnam. Yes, so the first time I see snow I love it, but then after that, after being here for years, and I hate that. I hate because I still enjoy watching snow, but it's just kind of like snowstorming, something like that. It's crazy, it's insane, and that's part of Canada life. I have a bit like kind of like depression, winter effect. So I take a lot of vitamin D. What I often do in winter is really just chill and relaxing. I don't often go out because the cold weather. So most of the time I stay home, have some tea. Cheers, everybody. Turn on the oil diffuser and relaxing music to calm myself. I think it helped me a lot to recover from the cold, especially depression. I wake up this morning and my left eye a bit puffy. Look, so bad. It turned red too. I'm editing the video right now. My goal is to upload the video every week. Hopefully I can do it. Yeah, probably the very first goal. And after that I'm gonna go to my friend place. I have an just kind of like small party, haven't met them for a few months. Have one of the couple, they will travel back to Vietnam to have traditional wedding ceremony. They official husband and wife for a year. They have the party, like ceremony in Canada, but haven't done in Vietnam yet. So right now they're gonna do it. I feel happy for them. So excited to see my friend. Okay, now I'm gonna focus on editing and gonna see you guys in my friend place. Hi Tyler, this is Jonathan.
Cheers. Cheers.
Oh, that's a wavy bagel.
Sydney. Hello, Sydney. Oh shit, my god. You're getting so big.
big boy.
Hey.
Very big. Don't drop it on my foot, please.